Hi, my name is NewScheivelhud, and I'm here to tell you about fractions. I found this really cool website called www.feesnows.com, and as you can see, it shows very clearly one whole fraction bar on top, and you can compare all of these other fraction numbers compared against the whole. So the definition of a fraction would be part of a whole. Notice that when you look at the 1/2 and the 1/2, that makes a whole. And you can also compare these fractions, the halves, to the fourths. How many fourths does it take to get to a half? It takes 2 fourths. So when we start talking about equivalent fractions, you see all these numbers going all over the place. How does a 1 over a 2 equal a 2 over a 4? Well, if you look at the picture right here, you can see that 1/2 takes up half the space of the 1, and 2 of the fourths takes up half of the space of the 1. How many 8ths takes half of the space of the 1? Take a second and think about what is the equivalent fraction if you have a new denominator, 8. What's equivalent to 1/2? Right, if you said 4/8, good for you. When you get into numbers like 3's on the bottom, as you can see, it's hard to find an equivalent fraction. So that's when you have to look at those least common multiples. What would be the least common multiple between 1/4 and 1/3? Think about that for a minute. Sometimes you can multiply the denominators. What's 4 times 3? It's 12. How many 12ths will make up 1/2? 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, and 6/12. Well, that's all for today, but I hope that you learned a little bit more about equivalent fractions, and don't forget to go to www.feesnows.com, VISNOS, and check out this fraction wall. There's a lot of fun games and things you can do with it. Play around with it. Goodbye.